Here I am gonna show you how to create Google Forms in easy way like this. Go to www.forms.google.com. First, check out Template Gallery. If you find any suitable template as per your requirement, go for it. Otherwise, just follow as I am doing. Click to blank, then give a name to your form and description as you like. There is a automation in Google Form, like if you give a title, name, it gonna automatically select its type to short answer, and for date of birth it gonna select to date as a type. It's just easy. So there are options with the help of which you will create your form easily and more creative. In Add a Question, you can add a new question down below the previous one. Using Import Question, you will able to import questions from your other forms that you created earlier. Add a title and description, may helpful for add a new title in between of a form. Also, you can add an image as a question like for a quiz or something else. Using these options you can upload an image. You will also able to link video directly from YouTube, or using any other website. Add a section is used to add a new page in a form. Also, you will set up your Google form. You can collect email of users. Share response receipts to the user via email, it is auto-send by Google. Limit to one response, is used for official kind of form when you do not want spam response from user. It must require the user to sign in using Google. Other options are to edit after submission for the user, to edit after submission. See the summary option is for user, can see what they filled. See how it's showing options automatically, and also, don't forget to toggle on the required option when there is a question whose answer is required. And if there is a multiple choice question you may select the drop-down option, or multiple choice option, as per requirements. And there is other options, you may check it out, it may help you for filling question field. Checkboxes option is for multiple selection answer. Paragraph option is for long answer from users. Date option is for specify a date, year and month, like, for example, date of birth. You can also add a description to your option to specifying a question. Some other options in the setting menu, like a quiz option, for giving scores or grades to answer. As per the question, set a predefined answer, or you can say, set an answer key to the question, can be done with the help of quiz option. Presentation setting is used for showing a progress bar, for shuffle question order every time. Show a link to submit another response to the user. Also set a message after filling the form for the user. If your form is ready. Now, you can send it to anyone using mail, using URL, or embed it to your website. And if you want some document from the user, you can use the file upload option. It required the user to sign in. Also, you can specify file types. You can't embed after selecting the file upload option. That is it, guys. Don't forget to check out other options. Keep learning. Comment out your thoughts. Peace.